Hey guys, welcome to my channel Electronic Gadgets. Today, we're taking a look at the Miele Blizzard CX1 Turbo Team Bagless Canister Vacuum in Tech Blue, a premium household vacuum designed for powerful cleaning, portability, and long-term durability. Don't forget to check price in the description below. This vacuum is powered by Miele's Vortex technology with a 1200W motor, delivering strong suction that can handle both fine dust and larger debris with ease. It's designed for hard floors and low to medium pile carpets, and the included turbo brush makes it especially effective for picking up pet hair and dirt from rugs and upholstery. One of the standout features is its bagless design with a HEPA lifetime filter, which captures up to 99.98% of dust and allergens, making it a great option for allergy sufferers. The vacuum also uses a hygienic dust separation system, allowing you to empty the bin with minimal mess by separating fine dust from larger particles. In terms of usability, the CX1 is designed for comfort and convenience. It includes a 4-stage rotary suction control, so you can easily adjust power depending on the surface you're cleaning. The telescopic wand, ergonomic handle, and 32-foot operating radius make it easy to move around large areas without constantly switching power outlets. Another strong point is how quiet and well built this vacuum is. Miele is known for durability, and this model features sound insulation for quieter operation, along with a sturdy canister design and smooth rolling wheels for easy maneuverability. It also comes with multiple attachments like a parquet twister brush for delicate floors, upholstery tool, and crevice nozzle, making it versatile for different cleaning tasks. In real-world use, this vacuum performs best in homes with a mix of hard flooring and light carpeting. It's powerful, easy to handle, and built to last, though like most bagless vacuums, it may require more frequent filter maintenance compared to bagged models. Overall, the Miele Blizzard CX1 Turbo Team Bagless Canister Vacuum is a premium cleaning solution that offers strong suction, excellent filtration, and versatile attachments. It's ideal for users who want powerful performance in a portable canister design without relying on vacuum bags. Thank you, see you in next video.